What's going on, guys? I wanted to record a quick video. Sorry I'm not in my normal setup. I was just traveling, so my camera's not set back up. But I had a thought after talking to one of our coaching clients that I wanted to share with you guys. I thought it was helpful for him, so it might be helpful for you as well. But one of the biggest things that I've seen, and I was talking to this client about, is that he got into the mode of selling a lot of one-off projects all the time and didn't think about having those one-off projects as kind of an upsell to his main offer, like a retainer-based offer, right? So I think a lot of times we get stuck in this mode of, let me sell this one job and then let me go to the next person and then sell them one job and then go to the next person and then sell them one job, instead of getting in the mindset or the thought process of, okay, if I sell them this one job, let me think about that as a intro offer to then sell them or upsell them into a retainer-based offer. And this client had been, he'd been doing business for about 20 years. So he wasn't like somebody who was new. He just always got into the mindset of let me sell them one thing and then just go to the next. And part of that stemmed from him not necessarily understanding what the video actually does for the client. He was just making a promo video for them and then getting to the next thing, right? And selling the next client another promo. Instead of thinking of okay, I could sell them a promo video, but then I could also sell them or upsell them to constant monthly content creation for their social media, constant monthly content creation for testimonials, for a brand film, for ongoing content that they're going to need to drive traffic into the business. And actually understanding that these guys, these companies, like this one was a law firm, they need more traffic. They need more eyeballs. They need more people who know about what it is that they actually do. They don't just need one promo video that's going to live on the back corner of their website and no one's ever going to see it. And when I explained this to him, he was like, that makes a lot of sense. I don't know why I never thought about it that way. And hopefully that's a good light bulb moment for you guys as well, to where you're okay, this is a good idea. I could sell them, a certain amount of social content every month, and then a couple testimonial videos every month, and whatever it is, so then you can get ongoing recurring revenue, right? So for him, it was this law firm. He sold them a $7,500 package for, a half day shoot, a promo video, and that's it. And I said, why don't you go into, after you shoot that, why don't you have a conversation with the law firm owner and actually figure out, okay, A, what is the goal? What do they actually want out of the content? And figure out how we can reverse engineer content to get them to that goal, right? I think a lot of people don't think about it that way. They just think in terms of what kind of video do you want? And then they ask the client, what kind of video would they want? And the client doesn't know what kind of video they need. So they're just I think a promo video. And then you're okay, promo video is $7,500 to $10K. And they're okay. And there's no understanding of what that actually does for them. Instead of asking what kind of video do you want, switch that frame to what kind of goal are you looking to achieve with the content? Well, we want more leads. Okay, so if you want more leads, let's figure out how to let's create more content that drives traffic to your Instagram, to your Facebook, to your website, to your wherever you capture leads, right? Let's create more content. Let's create an ad, a promo video that's going to actually serve as an ad with an ad structure. And then let's put some money behind the ad and start driving traffic to the page that has the leads. That's going to make that's going to make a bigger difference for them than just one promo video. And so the way you want to think about it as far as the unit economics of your video business is you want to think about it as okay, you have this intro video, and that's fine if you want to sell them some intro package, one video if they don't trust you, right? And you just want to kind of test the waters and get to know them. But you have this intro video, and then after the intro video, you then upsell them to a 5K a month retainer or a 10K a month retainer or some sort of retainer that's going to give them continuity, so then they get a certain amount of videos every month that help them achieve their business goals, and then you get consistent income every single month that helps you achieve your goals, right? And this specific client, I think they were doing 15, 20K a month. And I said, isn't it exhausting having to start over every single month with new clients, new one-off projects? He's like, yeah, absolutely. That's why I joined, is because I want to get retainers in place. I said, why don't you just go back to all the people that you sold the one-off project to and upsell them to a retainer? They already trust you and like you. Just upsell them to ongoing monthly content creation. But you have to find the problem and you have to figure out what the goal is that they're trying to achieve, and then help them reverse engineer that goal with the content that you're going to create for them. So hopefully that's helpful. I want to shoot you guys just a quick video on that. Hopefully it's helpful for you guys. If you want to learn more about what we do at Master Filmmaker, you can click the link below, schedule them with our team, or just keep enjoying the free YouTube content, and we'll talk to you soon.